sledders in Springfield today were looking for some fun after the big snowstorm. 22 News reporter Areta Odaya is live in studio after catching up with some families. Areta.
That's right. We headed to Mary Lynch Park in Springfield, a pretty great area to do some sledding with family and friends. Kids were geared up in layers to walk out and up to the hill to enjoy sledding. Parents telling me that it was a short-lived adventure, though, on the hill due to the cold temps and snow beginning to harden in some spots.
I never went sledding. This is the first time.
It's like 18 inches of snow, and there's no path, really, so yeah, it's pretty tough.
The snow is still more on the fluffy side, but even I had the ability to make a little deconstructed snowman, as you can see. Mary Lynch Park seemed to be a popular spot, and we have some other top sledding spots in the area already up on our website to learn more. Working for you, Areta Odaya, 22 News.